Hey, what's up, guys? I ordered some stuff from DESOLATE Motorsports. They do a lot of really cool F-Series suspension stuff, especially with regards to the Broncos. I have a bunch of different Cyclone lights I'm hoping to put on that thing in the near future. And how about cool. One, this comes with a bunch of stickers, but I bought these bezel things that go with the KC Cyclones. I also brought some new stainless steel brake lines because mine in the front are a little bit janky. But also these stickers are pretty cool. They are sort of a flat color, come with 3, and they're pretty cool. Here's the bezels. These are the anodized black aluminum ones. We're gonna open one up and see how it fits real quick. I'm pretty stoked on how this works. Those in frame, cool. Let's check this out. Here it is, pretty basic piece of aluminum. Looks like there's a cutout or a notch for your wiring, which is nice. Actually, I think I have a random Cyclone sitting around here somewhere. All right, this is a diffused clear one. Obviously the light wiring comes off to one side, so that works out well. Run this through. And if you're not completely dumb. Oh, nice, it's a super tight fit. Man, that looks great. I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna use these for blinkers and for my running lights, actually. These diffused ones are gonna be for running lights. And that fits in there really well. I think it's a really clean way to have it look, rather than having just this as an edge piece. Obviously for rock lights, it doesn't really matter, but I'm just pretty stoked on those. Here they are, a little more detail. Machining marks are very hard to see, especially at a distance. I think these retail right around 15 bucks. I bought them because I wanted to throw it in the cart when I was already buying the brake lines. But yeah, I think that's really nice. Really clean way to have those lights put on there. Cool. Hopefully that answered your questions. If you were thinking about these, they came out a little while ago. DESOLATE Motorsports, if you have a Bronco or an F-Series and you're looking at any kind of new suspension setup or just some custom work, they got some really cool products out there. I'm probably going to dump a bunch of money into one of their systems in the near future. So yeah, I'd go to their website and look at some of their past projects and what they have available. Thanks for watching.